Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Have you been paying attention to the Dogecoin price? If so, you might have noticed that it has broken below the 6.8 support zone and now it is sitting on another extreme support. Now don't worry, because on the other end the Dogecoin price prediction is starting to gear up as the major network upgrade is coming in very soon. On the other end, will the Morgan Stanley signal the end of the crypto winter? And what does that mean for Dogecoin? And finally, Binance is delisting some of the tokens, and one of them is actually Dogecoin. This is only talking about the margin trading, so don't panic. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people can stay up to date with what is happening with the market. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Now first of all, let's talk about the network upgrade. Now Dogecoin price is hovering close to the 7 cent mark. I mean, right now it is close to 6.5, generally coming down, and also the Bitcoin market, or just all the major altcoins, are on a little bit of a downtrend, or let's just say they're in a consolidation zone trying to find a reason to keep going up. Now the hype surrounding the potential green lighting of the Bitcoin spot exchange in the US has caused all the market to climb, and especially we're talking about Dogecoin. However, the declines seem apparent on Tuesday during the US business hours, with Doge correcting by 2%. Now what does this mean in the near future? Well, in the near future you need to understand that if we are able to stay above this zone, so you can see that this is the support which was actually tested last time. Yes, right now we are in a downtrend, but the only way this downtrend can be sustained is if 6.5 zone is not broken. If we just use that as a support zone, we will be able to climb as more upgrades come in, and also some of Elon Musk's hints start playing up, and you guys will understand what I mean. Now let's talk about Morgan Stanley. If you guys do not know who Morgan Stanley is, a notable indicator comes from none other than the financial giant Morgan Stanley, which stated that the bearish market is now ending. Now keep in mind there can still be a little bit of a pullback, but what does it mean by the bearish market pretty much coming to an end? It just means the market cannot just shift towards the downside in the short term and pretty much just keep going down. Now there is a chance that there can be a pullback, but most likely the price will correct and keep going on with the uptrend. Now talking about the delisting, Binance has been going through some trouble with the SEC. Now they are trying to fix up some things, and on the 1st of November they announced that they will be removing the cross margin and also margin trading on the 9th of November, and one of the ones that they will be removing will be Doge BUSD. And now there are some problems with BUSD as well, and another one is you need to understand they're just trying to fix up some of the things on the largest crypto trading platform, and they're trying to figure that out. Now if we talk about some other things which are extremely important around Dogecoin right now, is the trading volume. You guys can see the price is down 5% today, but the trading volume is up 20%, which is incredible. It is the 12th largest traded cryptocurrency right now, and on the other end the trading volume to the market cap ratio is sitting close to 5%. For the 9th largest crypto, that is quite good. So as I mentioned, when we talk about the chart, we just need to be able to stay above this support zone. We can use that as a consolidation zone, try to lose some of those people who don't believe in the token and are just trying to walk away, but at the end of the day we need to use the support zone to be able to keep the going up. Now just keep in mind that Elon has been a little active on Twitter, but at the same time he hasn't been active in a sense that posting about Dogecoin. The major factor or major reason for that is, you guys know, SEC is behind his back and is accusing him of manipulating the crypto market. So he has to stay a little quiet while all of that problem is being solved in the background, and once that is done, let's just say the price is not going to be slowing down. Especially if we just pay attention to how well Solana is doing, it's close to $40, which is good because you will realize that Dogecoin might be able to get another 2200% breakout without you actually realizing. And there's a lot of analysts that are starting to say this, and keep in mind these analysts are not newbies. they have been around for a long time. Now talking about a 33-year-old person became a Doge millionaire overnight. Another token offers the same potential. Now what's really interesting is they're just talking about this one wallet which actually did such a good profit in just such a short period of time. Now Doge breaks free from multi-year descending order. What is next? Now keep in mind, the way the Dogecoin pattern has been working recently is simply goes up then goes down. Now the down should be about halfway point, but this time when the market made it all the way to 76 cents as the highest point, when the down came, it went all the way back to 5 cents, which was a little unexpected, but at the same time the uptrend was created by Elon, so it was a little bit of an artificial move. That's the right word to use, but there are more motion that will be coming in, and maybe the price will be able to break above the 476 mark and make it all the way back to $1. Now Doge's bullish signs emerge as the TD sequel flashes a buy signal. Now the buy signals for Dogecoin have just been racking up. That's the right word to use. That's why I'm trying to show you as much as possible and try to cover as much as possible, because the Bitcoin ATMs are ripoffs, says the Doge co-owner. Now we're talking about boy Billy. So there is a lot of ATMs which are starting to show up around America. If you live in another country like myself in New Zealand, you might not see it as often, but the Americans are used to this. Now these ATMs charge such a big margin fee in the middle. That is one of the reasons why he is not happy. Another thing which I want to mention is right now there is a possibility of $1. It is starting to have a notable movement, and if you guys do not know, Elon Musk after a long time has reunited with Joe Rogan to go on his podcast. Now Elon returns to the experience. Among many interesting topics he discusses X, Cybertruck and Dogecoin. So just keep in mind, right now Elon is staying very quiet on Twitter, and seeing the fact that he hasn't posted anything relating to Dogecoin in over a year or so, that shows that maybe it is just building up. What does that mean? Well, when he posts this, it is going to have a very positive impact, and it will be much bigger impact compared to what we have seen in the past. Why? Because in the past it was happening more frequently, while now people are slowly starting to forget about it. So the best thing to do is wait, because maybe it might be able to make a return. Elon Musk envisions X as a banking fiction. Now if they decide to do something relating to banking or just relating to financial institution, they will need something to lead the chart, and that's where Dogecoin is going to play a very crucial role. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything relating to Dogecoin, and if there is anything else you would like me to post, let me know down in the comment section. I hope you all have a wonderful day ahead, and I will see you soon.